Today we're going to visit a website called All About Explorers. So you have this link, it's called Explorers. It's going to take you to this page where you are going to pick one of these explorers to do a little research on. Now you notice it has a colored dot next to the person's name. The blue dot means basic level. These hunts contain fact-oriented questions. The answers are relatively easy to locate on the page. So if you're a person that doesn't read very well by yourself, you have a hard time finding things, you'll want to pick somebody that has a blue dot. So like John Cabot or Christopher Columbus or Sir Francis Drake. Moderate level is the green dot. So these hunts contain fact-oriented questions which will take some additional searching or deeper reading to answer. So those would be the green dots: Jacques Cartier, Vasco da Gama, Ponce de Leon, Henry Hudson, Ferdinand Magellan, or Amerigo Vespucci. And then if you're like a really high student and think you can handle the challenge, you could do an advanced level red. They are more challenging and may require students to use reference, inference, and logic to determine answers. So that would be Vasco Nunes de Balboa, or Champlain, or Pizarro here. So I'm letting you pick who you want, but think about what color they are so that it is at a level that you're able to do it. So I'm just going to pick a blue level person here and click on their name. I'm just going to click John Cabot here. So it says your mission is to find the answers to 3 questions about the famous explorer John Cabot. Use these 2 links to find the information you need. Be careful, be good researchers, and check both pages for each question so you get all the information you need. Oh, and don't forget to have fun. So you're answering 3 questions. When and where was John Cabot born? How many sons did John Cabot have? And where did Cabot die? And here's your 2 links. You're going to look at the All About Explorers page for the information there about him, and then on the Zoom Explorers page. So you have a worksheet right in front of you. So you're going to put your name, you're going to pick the explorer that you picked right here. Question number 1. So question number 1 was, when and where was John Cabot born? So I'm going to write that right here. When and where was he born? Then I'm going to search the 2 sites and I'm going to write the answer that I get from All About Explorers here, the answer I get from Zoom Explorers here. I also have an area for question number 2, and then on the back I have an area for question number 3. So I would click on All About Explorers link. It opens it up in a new tab for me. And I'm going to search this information and find out where he was born. So he has something in common with Christopher Columbus. Both were born in Liverpool, England. So on my sheet, I would write Liverpool, England for the All About Explorers answer. Then I'm going to go back. I'm going to click on the Zoom Explorers page. Once it comes up, I'm going to search that information. John Cabot was an Italian-born English explorer and navigator. In Italy, he is known as Giovanni Caboto, which is his original name. Cabot was born in Italy. So that says something different. I'm going to write that he was born in Italy. We're going to talk more about the differences that we see after we get the information written down. So then I would move on to question number 2. And then question number 3. At the end, this is where it says, what were the similarities and differences in the information you found on the 2 sites? So you're going to write here at the bottom, writing one word is not what I'm looking for. You're going to write what you found similarity and difference-wise. So complete sentences, capitalization, punctuation. You all are 5th graders. I should see 5th grade work. When you are finished doing that, I'm going to close out these tabs. When you are finished doing that, if there is time, then you can go to typing.com and you can work on your typing practice.